GM, friends! In this video, we're going to explain some basic concepts to help understand the bigger picture around the Aave protocol. Aave is part of DeFi, short for decentralized finance, and made of smart contracts that live on the blockchain. But before we dive in, let's demystify these terms with some basic definitions. We'll be covering blockchain, cryptocurrency and how you can get some, DeFi and how it actually works, and smart contracts. Right, so what is a blockchain? A blockchain is a decentralized distributed database that stores a record of transactions across a network of computers. It's called a chain because each transaction is linked to the one before it, creating a chain of blocks that contains all transaction data. You can visualize a blockchain like a book, where each page is a block, ordered by the page number. This chain of blocks is secured by cryptography, which makes it virtually tamper-proof. So this blockchain is a skeleton of Aave, where you can see all of its users' transactions. Now, what is a cryptocurrency? It's a digital or a virtual currency that uses cryptography to secure financial transactions. It's decentralized, meaning it's not controlled by any financial institution or government. Bitcoin is the most famous, but there are many others, such as Ethereum or the Aave token. Just like other physical currencies, they have transactional power. They also have different usages and represent the creators' initiatives. On the Aave protocol, for example, the Aave token allows you to vote and be part of the community too. However, on the Aave protocol, you can only deposit or borrow them, which means you will already need to own some cryptocurrency before you can use the protocol properly. How? Well, you can either earn them, like through mining, which is a very specific problem-solving work done by your computer hardware, or by working for the communities of certain protocols, which then redistribute some of their funds to contributing members. Or there's another way, which is to simply buy them from a third party, such as an exchange. It's the same concepts for currency exchange shops you'd find at an airport. To use an exchange, you'll need to create an account, verify your identity, and fund your account with national currency, such as the US dollar. There are various platforms such as local bitcoins or Paxful, Binance, Coinbase. But not all these platforms are created equally, as some are CeFi, so centralized finance, and others are DeFi, so decentralized finance, which we explained in video 1. The DeFi space is full of potential as it continues to develop at lightning speed. It's all very new, having started in 2017 with projects including Aave, or ETH Lend as it was known back then. Let's look at how DeFi works in practice. With DeFi, you connect directly with other users, thanks to the blockchain technology. So when it comes to decision-making and upgrades, they are made by the community and users of the platform who discuss on the forum. These make up what's called a DAO, Decentralized Autonomous Organization. Once the stakeholders have validated a proposal for a vote, the code changes automatically to override the previous version. These upgrades are eventually coded into the protocol through trustless technology or smart contracts, which are the backbone of DeFi. So what are these smart contracts? Well, when you arrive on Aave.com and hit Launch App, you're just seeing one of the many interfaces for users to interact with the protocol. But in the background of this interface are what we call the blockchain smart contracts, which automatically enforce strict operational rules for ensuring there's enough cash flow for people to borrow and lend. While a contract is an agreement to do something, it's not actually doing it. The smart contract, however, contains the agreement and the doing of it. Smart contracts allow for the automation of a wide variety of processes, including the exchange of money, property, or indeed anything of value, in a transparent, conflict-free way, while avoiding the services of a middleman. Unlike with CeFi companies, an entity does not need to hold the user's funds because the money the users put up to back up their loan is stored in these pre-programmed smart contracts. This is why this trustless technology is a cornerstone of DeFi protocols like Aave. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below or on the Aave Discord. See you in the next video.